Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 15 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we're doing Yin Yoga, restorative and very chill and calm. We're gonna hold in each pose for 2 minutes, starting with Child's Pose. Just enjoy, let go any tension, clear your mind, focus on the present, focus on your breath, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Amazing. Now time to move to our next posture, next pose, the next asana. Gonna make a transition through down dog. From here, plank and into cobra or up dog, slowly lower down. And we're gonna hold, reach for the right toes. We're gonna do something like half bow pose. We're gonna hold here. Try to find a comfortable position and enjoy the opening of the chest, the back bend, the quad stretch. Take your time. Nicely done. Okay, now we're gonna make a transition through down dog. We're gonna stay on the same side. We're gonna lift the right leg and we're gonna go for the pigeon pose, placing the right leg between your hands, opening the hip. And for deeper stretch, just lay down. Try to keep your hips square and enjoy. Time for half bow pose on the other side, and again transition through down dog, pushing hips up and up dog, lowering down, and now reaching for the left toes and holding there. Find a comfortable position, keep breathing and enjoy the stretch. And again, time for a down dog transition. Now lift your left leg up, place your left leg between your hands, open the hips, keep them square, and folding forward. And now it's time for my absolute favorite stretch. We're gonna lay down on our backs and we're gonna do a spine twist. Hug your right knee in and twist your right knee, press it with your left hand to the left, right arm to the side, gaze at the right arm and make sure you keep both shoulders on the mat. Enjoy the twist. All these twists are so good for the lower back and for the back health in general. Now let's repeat the same thing on the other side. So hug the left knee in, press it to the right side, do the twist. Extend the left arm to the left and keep both shoulders on the mat. Take your time, enjoy the stretch. And time for our final resting pose, Shavasana. Extend your legs, palms facing the sky. Take your time, breathe deeply. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day, be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.